with the keyboard. Mouse not included, mousepad included if you order it within the next 10 minutes. And you get some french fries, don't forget. Yeah, I don't know if it... Hey guys, I took a break from playing League of Legends and World of Warcraft and Hearthstone to do a review of my gaming keyboard. Many of you have been wondering what keyboard I've been using, and now you'll finally find out. Anyways, here's my new keyboard, the Razer Deathstrike. So here's my new Razer Deathstroke. It comes with pre-installed switchblades, the signature Razer logo, and spacebar. It comes with light up white keys. It comes with a built-in submachine gun for shooting people. It comes with signature green Razer lights, which can... It comes with 8 built-in macro keys and 4 green lights that I cannot turn on. It comes with this Razer mouse, and if you order now, you can probably get what is it? You get some french fries. You get french fries. You can also, free of charge if you pay $9.99 shipping. Thanks for watching my Razer Keyboard computer review. And remember, if it ain't Razer, then... Thanks, guys. I just had chocolate milk, so I have a little bit of chocolate on my face. But remember, fuel up for battle. And if you like Razer products and you're thinking because of me that you're gonna buy this keyboard, click the like button and the subscribe button, which are right here, and I'll give you more reviews of high quality Razer products. Oh, and I forgot to tell you the price. The price of the keyboard is about $130. And don't forget to go to this video. And yeah, remember, if you like this video, then subscribe for more